I'm Shelley McGuire, and I'm the developer of the 2-Minute Miracle. This is such an amazing and unique product because it's virtually 7 skincare products in one. I realized that skincare had gotten too complicated, too expensive, and it took too long to see results, and I knew there had to be a better way, something that could deliver instant benefits you could see. So I created my own product.
The 2-Minute Miracle Gel, no one ever forgets the first time they used it.
I instantly saw results after the very first use. My skin was so bright, it was glowing.
The 2-Minute Miracle Gel was amazing the first time I put it on. It was the most crazy thing I've ever put on my skin.
Yes, I mean, they've said, Dave, you look younger, what have you been doing?
First, I want to explain to you how to use it so that you get maximum results. And you're going to take about a dime-sized to quarter-sized dollop and put it in all quadrants of the face. And then wait about 30 to 45 seconds. The key is that this product goes from a gel to a runny liquid when it's ready.
And it's cool and refreshing, and then all of a sudden it liquefies. And as you rub it, all of this dead skin comes off, and you're just in shock.
I watched it beat up and get real moist, and then all of a sudden all these little beads, white spots came everywhere, all over my skin.
I started rubbing it and I was watching all the dead skin come off. I'm like, this is cool.
I mean, and then it's like all these balls of skin, you're like, whoa, get off, get off.
But then you just started rubbing it in and you felt it gently exfoliating your skin.
And not only that, once the dead skin is off, my skin is smooth. I'm like, this is awesome.
Afterwards, you can see your face is radiant, you're glowing, and you feel younger straight away within, boom, one use.
And I can't go without it for another day. It was amazing.
2 minutes can change your life. Get a free sample of the 2-Minute Miracle from the person that shared this video with you and experience your own miracle today.